Palacio do Grilo living theatre installation by Studio Combo in Lisbon, Portugal. The Palacio do Grilo is a restaurant in the middle of a living theatre in Lisbon. An atypical project and design in an intact 18th-century palace, a project composed by architect Julien Labrousse. Palacio do Grilo is a restaurant in the middle of a living theatre where each member of the team is an actor or performer, ready to surprise you. A joyful and festive artistic experience. Because of its particular form, the place is a curiosity, a hybrid, and unclassifiable cultural and historical place. Its singular and slightly eccentric approach offers a unique cultural experience. All the scenography and furniture were tailor-made for the project. It is a singular design made from solid eucalyptus wood and some oak, sourced from Portugal. A design that plays on simple forms and contemporary fairy tale that contributes to the atmosphere. The place has been kept as it was, the patinas of time have been accentuated to reinforce their charm, and the abandoned stable has been reconnected to the palace to make a room with another tone. Sculptures and large-format sculptural paintings have been made to dress the walls. A sculptural bar, also made of solid eucalyptus wood, sits in the former stables. In other rooms, old furniture has been reinvested and displayed in a museum-like manner. The architecture and design of furniture were done by the architect Julien Labrousse, and the art pieces and the performance work by the artist Olivier Herman. And the curating by Elsa kikoine. The team is also Marta Moreira and Margarita Matos.